Hi, my name's Warren Attrill and I am the artisan teacher for hands-on learning at Camperdown College. Hands-on learning was implemented in 2017 here at Camperdown College, and since then we've had some great success. Upwards of 30 students graduate our hands-on learning program and reintegrate back into the classroom, more engaged in their schooling, and it's allowed them to stay on longer at Camperdown College and achieve either a VCAL or VC certificate upon leaving. So we start out really small in hands-on learning. It might be as simple as planning a meal, preparing a meal for the rest of the group, and work our way into much bigger tasks, such as the wonderful room I'm sitting in now, which was completed fully by the students. Some of the projects we've undertaken in hands-on learning include the sick bay at the junior campus, where students learn lots of basic carpentry skills, plumbing skills, and even learn to tile a backsplash. Our hands-on learning room, where students learn to lay a floor, some more basic carpentry skills around architraves for windows and doors, painting the room and the walls, and even building some of the furniture. Some of the other tasks we've undertaken would be building furniture, restoring furniture, gardening. We've got our own veggie garden where we harvest some of the food. So it's a huge range of skills that they learn in hands-on learning. If you're a student in hands-on learning at Camperdown College, you'll be in regular classes for 4 of the 5 days. One day you'll come to hands-on learning, and hands-on learning is exactly what it says. It's learning with our hands. So we're either planning what we're doing, learning skills that will help us to complete a task, or actually doing the task. The learning is all very incidental in hands-on learning, and for a lot of students, that is the best way for them to learn. Some of the notable changes we have from the hands-on learning program are changes in behaviour, attitudes towards school, some great leadership skills are developed, and it just helps their results in the classroom. Parents of hands-on learning students at school say that their child's confidence and happiness has significantly increased, and they've listed HOL as the key reason that their child is more motivated and engaged to attend school. After completion of the program, the students return to classrooms full-time. The goal is that they're more rounded, have better communication skills, are more focused.
It's like instead of like books and writing, it's like more hands-on learning. Gives kids a better chance to easier way to concentrate.
It gives you confidence. It just gives you life skills, how to live in the real world. It's me excited to go back to school.
Maybe more motivated to go into class and try my best.
That one day that you don't want to go to school, that day that you get to go to hands-on and just still learn, but hands-on way.
Hands-on learning's good for me because I get to learn in ways that I couldn't in the classroom. Getting out of the class into hands-on learning really helps with that. I feel a lot more willing and I want to come to school.